Hey everyone, I'm Himal, a professional WordPress website designer and developer at Mantistic Production. Mantistic Production is a marketing agency based in Brisbane, where we are providing web design, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, also B2B business growth service. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reCAPTCHA in Elementor form. It's a great way to protect your Elementor form from spammer and spam mails, and make sure only real users submit this form. So without wasting your time, let's get started. All right, now we're in the dashboard. So before start, we just need only two things. We just have to go on new tab and type reCAPTCHA for Google and hit the first URL, and now click on version T console. As you can see, I also have two sites added there. So as I'm going to add new site, I'm clicking on this plus icon. First thing is label. Just put a name as label. I'm giving it domain name. Then select on version 2, and also put your domain name here. I'm putting my domain name like mantistorium.com. Make sure you don't provide any slash or https there, and you can put any random name here. Just click on submit. All right, as you can see, Google give us the secret key and the site key. Now we just have to go on dashboard and find on Elementor, click on setting. Now just scroll down and click on integration, and here is the reCAPTCHA. This is the site key. Make sure or copy the site key and paste it over the site key, and there is the secret key. Make sure you paste the secret key again. Now you just have to scroll down and hit the save changes. Let it be load perfectly. Okay, it's done. Now this is one of my dummy contact page where I have a contact form. As you can see, this form has no reCAPTCHA. So this is my editor version of this page. Let's make it reload. Okay, after reload, this form is come successfully. Now click on this pencil icon and click on add new item, and click on this item option and click on reCAPTCHA. Make sure you don't click on reCAPTCHA version 3, only click on reCAPTCHA. Then click on save changes. As you can see, as soon as we select the reCAPTCHA, this reCAPTCHA is come in front of us. So let's make a refresh and check out this in front page instead of the editor page. All right, it's come successfully in front of us. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, just subscribe the channel and hit the like button. If you have any more question or any other things, just comment below, and check out our website if you need any more information.